Hello guys, today I will show you how to make this cool shine animation in DaVinci Resolve. I will start by adding the fusion composition, opening it. Now I will add this DaVinci Resolve icon, connect it. Now I will add a glow node. And now, let's see. I will add a rectangle node now and connect it as mask. Now I will make it like this. I will change the angle, make it a little bigger. And now we will animate it. So go to the first keyframe. Put a keyframe right here. Bring it to the side. Now go to like 50 for example. So now it looks like this. Now let's go to the spline. Shift S. Now it looks much smoother. Okay. Now let's make it a little more pretty. So we can make the edge softer. And also, let's see, the glow size to 0, because if it's not on 0 you can see this thing, it goes over it. You could probably leave it, but it looks better on 0. So now it looks like this. So it already looks very good, but you can make it better. So I have a free plugin which is called Shallow Glow, and I will now switch them. This looks like this right now. This glow is even better, but as you can see, there are still these things on the side. So if we go the size, maybe not 0 but like 10. Okay. Let's make it bigger. Okay. So now it looks even better. As you can see, this shine just looks more realistic. And the plugin is free, and I will post it either on my Discord or in the description. So yeah. Now if you would want to render this and add it to like another project or something, and you don't want the background, you need to go to deliver, then go to QuickTime, this one, DN HR, and this one is the best quality.